Tembra says, Dear I, thank you for the clear, thorough description of the projector auric field. I'm wondering if the state of my energy field is connected to why I feel so raw recently, like my nerves are frazzled. Also, I have no sense of where I end and others begin. Again, no sense of or feeling of boundaries. Do you have any guidance as far as what you think may be going on? And what can I do to strengthen my field so I'm not just like an amorphous blob that feels a part of everything else? This is terribly uncomfortable and debilitating. Thanks for anything you've got. Yeah. Yeah, we are very transpersonal as projectors, meaning that our essence, our auric field comes out of us to kind of sample the other person, and then you got to reel it back in. So just basically when we put pro- if you just put projector field aside and just look at the word field and like generator field, projector field, manifestor field, reflector field, just energy field, there are a few things here to consider. Diet influences it immensely. If you eat foods that are dead and very dense and hard to digest, that's gonna make you debilitated and ungrounded. If you're not hydrated with fruit juice, coconut water, distilled water, um, green juice, vegetable juice, if you drink, if you smoke, if you take drugs, salt messes up your field, sugar messes up your field, oils mess up your field, processed stuff messes up your field. Um, Exercise is needed because if you don't have blood circulation, if you don't move your spine, you mess up your field. If you sleep on very soft surfaces, you wake up really crunched up. So think of your spine as an electrical rod that is grounding the electrical energy into the floor. And if your spine is not straight, and if your spine is blocked, so if you don't move your spine daily, your field is going to be compromised. If you spend a lot of time in your head on the internet looking at the stuff, social media, if you spend a lot of time around Wi-Fi, if you never get into nature, your field's going to be compromised. If you use unnatural products that have chemicals and heavy metals, your field's going to be compromised. If you connect with people who don't connect back to you, you're going to be confused, your field's going to be compromised. So yeah. And yeah, if your field is messed up, you're going to feel like your nerves are frazzled. Yeah, your field is the extension of your nerves, an extension of your fascia. So try to clean up all these things that I said, and then check out the lesson. Oh, what's the lesson's name? Yeah, I don't know the name, but there is a lesson about pulling the field back in, and there are some keywords about it. Um, yeah, yeah. Yeah, if you just clean up all these things or most of these things and start doing some all of the other things, your field is gonna be better. Yep. Thank you, Dembra. Subscribe, like, leave a comment, share your story below. Check out my audio courses: Human Design, Basics, Intermediate, Projector Masterclass, other Human Design that will come out. Check out the Elemental Balancing audio course. They're all available on the Insight Timer app, where you are also invited to join the course classroom. In there, you can ask questions and get direct voice messages from me, and also engage with other students, share your feedback and insights, and further your learning. For one-on-one human design coaching and psychotherapy, send an inquiry through the website. Join us on the Insight Timer live sessions where we do fascia and qigong stress release classes. Check out my art and merch webshop full of my original designs ready to be printed on shirts, notebooks, and many other products. Download my free ebooks and join my newsletter to stay connected and get updates and content in your email. Everything mentioned is available at icreatelines.com. Peace, health, and abundance.